Nobody say one times mama. Nobody say one times mama. Where's mama? Nobody say that. It looks like they don't care she's not here. Babe, you can go out every day if you want. The kids don't care.
Who did purple girl this morning? Hey. What are you hiding behind my fro?
Your afro too big, you can't see my face.
No, it's not too big. It's not big enough. It's not big enough for me. You guys can't see what's happening right now. Say morning.
Good morning.
Hi Faze, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new sunny day here in France and your girl is all purpled. This morning I washed my hair and I said, Tyler, I feel to put in a color. Which color should I put in? And Tyler said, I said to him that I think I should put in a yellow. He said, no mama, not yellow. I think you should put in a purple. So I took Tyler advice. I'd go with the purple. So I'm doing purple walks. Babe says not too bad. So boys approved. Anyway, you guys, I am actually heading out of the house in about an hour. I am going to...
Alone?
Yes, alone. I'm leaving babe at home with the kids alone. I am going to my friend JB to help her move. She's moving in her new place and I'm going to help her. So babe will be all on his own. Take off the pot off the stove, please. Babe will be all on his own today. Sarah is taking a nap right now. Tyler is here watching a little bit of TV. And yeah, I'm just trying to get myself together so that I can head out of here and reach where I'm going on time. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, enjoy the day with the boys if babe vlog. Let's see what they'll do without me. But if babe don't vlog, then I'll definitely see you guys when I get back home. Anyway, you guys, whatever it is that you set out to do today, do it with passion, do it with love, make somebody smile today. Put a smile on your face first before you put a smile on somebody else's. Always, always, always make sure you're okay before everybody else around you is okay. Anyway, you guys, see you guys later. Guys, I'm making lunch to carry with me. Smoothies going with me. I have snack if I need it, and I'm carrying some grapes, so I'm good to go.
Mama,
Yes, time.
may I have some smoothies, please?
Not no, tomorrow when I'll be home. Mama won't be home for the afternoon. I'm going on the road. I'll be back. Only Papa to talk to you 100 times.
Okay.
Tu arrives à mettre ça dans ta chambre? Tu vas mettre ça dans ta chambre, dans le placard, tu ouvres le placard et tu mets ça à l'intérieur, d'accord? Sur celle d'en bas, celle d'en haut, tu n'arriveras pas à l'attraper.
And I'm making me a real quick breakfast. Let's see if this avocado good. Oh, ugh. Oh, dommage. That avocado is not good at all. And this one not ripe. Murder. What am I gonna do? Alright. Since my avocados fail me, I'm gonna have to eat my egg without my...
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good night. We are here, the three of us. The three of us. It's lunchtime, so yes, pasta and sausage for the queen. Tyler's beside me having his sandwich, and yeah, we all have fun. We're gonna try to have much fun this afternoon. They say when the cat is out of home, the mouse then sings. So let's see if we do this.
You're too crazy, Papa.
I'm crazy.
Yes.
Sarah loves the sausage, so that's her place. She only take the sausage. I have to only put the pasta in the spoon because otherwise she will finish all the sausage before even touching the pasta. So yeah, we hear this little miss is still sleeping. She's pretty
Tired.
look at
She's pretty tired.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna feed them. Tyler is here.
Wagwan.
You alright, Tyler?
Yes.
You having fun?
Yes.
Right. See you guys soon.
Yes.
It's afternoon. The kids are here. Well, one kid is here and the other one is playing in a room. We're gonna see her soon. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Nobody say one times mama. Nobody say one times mama. Where's mama? Nobody say that. It looks like they don't care she's not here. Babe, you can go out every day if you want. The kids don't care. I take care of them perfect. Tyler is here. Tyler, you alright?
Yes.
What you doing?
I'm playing.
You're playing. Let's see what the other one is doing. Hey, mama. Hey, little miss. Hey, girl. You reading book? Yep, you reading book? Well, she throw away the shoes. She bring me shoes and she say, shoes, shoes. Like she wants shoes, so I'm gonna read her a story.
Shoes.
Shoes? You want shoes? Yeah.
Shoes.
Shoes? No, you don't have no shoes. You want shoes? But you're going to sleep soon. You're going to bed soon. The other side, like this. So she threw away all of the shoes. She wants shoes on her foot, but I decided not to put shoes on her foot because she's about to go sleep soon. She's with the book. Yeah, the book is still up. But she enjoy her book, and yeah, I'm gonna play a little bit with her story, and then I'm going to put her down for a nap. So, babe, if you are wondering if your kids are fine, just watch the vlog.
Why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me?
Did you eat all of your lunch?
Yes.
Did you complain?
No.
Oh, thank you. This one was for us. You can delete it. And look at that, honey. The kids are so fine, so quiet that I cleaned the entire kitchen. I also put the washing machine, I washed the pot, I washed everything. The kids are so fine. So I hope you enjoy where you are. And yeah, we miss you a little bit. Just come back for dinner. I'll make you a nice dinner. We just miss you a little bit, okay?
Oh, you guys, did you miss me? Did you? Did you? I missed you guys. But I'm back. I'm back. And it seems like they survived without me. Hopefully you guys got to see them. I think babe did tell me that he vlogged a little bit, so I'm sure you guys saw them. But I'm back. It was good to help Jen out, to move a bit, to organize her new place, and her new place is amazingly beautiful. I love it. Jen now living smack on the beach. But I'm back and it's time to make dinner. But we're going to do barbecue outside. Yes, Stella didn't know that he loved barbecue. So we're gonna do barbecue outside, and I just turned on the air fryer because I'm going to do the fries in the air fryer, which babe just bring. And the extension check, you think? I think where your shoes is, are the brown covered?
Papa? Mama?
This time. Sarah, no. No.
I'm retrying this Star Wars car.
Okay.
I'm retrying this.
Okay. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to do the fries while babe go outside and do the sausages and the chicken and stuff like that. So we'll catch you guys throughout dinner. Alright, you guys, so these are the sausages that we're gonna do. And I had seasoned the chicken from this morning before I left home. And then I have fries in the air fryer. That's going. Sarah. Hi. You ready to eat? Girl King. Girl King. The Grill King. It's that time of year, our first barbecue. Yes. That purple here, girl. You saw the mosquito?
Yeah.
Babe and a mosquito been fighting. A mosquito them can't do him bad, you see. I just tell him that I want the mosquito to bite. He got to close the room. Got to close the room door. I tell him that I want the mosquito to bite him because he give too much trouble. I want mosquito fix him real good, man. You guys know that him love cuss out the mosquito there.
Guys, she said I give her trouble, but she really wants me to shut my mouth and stay like this for the entire day. You want that?
You're asking them if I want you to shut your mouth.
I'm asking you first in front of them.
So when you open your mouth, you have to give trouble. You can't open your mouth and don't give trouble. No. I didn't tell you to shut your mouth. No. I ask why you give so much trouble.
Don't give trouble.
Me never tell if you shut your mouth, and I just say you give trouble. See, you know? You see you giving trouble and I can't even show the face what you're doing. What's the idea? Oh, good. Come on, come in the vlog. How did you manage without me today?
Very good.
Well, I prep lunch and everything for him before I leave for the kids. I prepared Tyler lunch, I prepared Sarah lunch, and I show him his lunch. So he didn't have to do nothing while I was away.
What else did you do?
He didn't have anything else to do until I get back home.
Okay,
Put Sarah down for nap.
Wake up Sarah, change her pampers, playing with her, put her down for a nap, give her the goûter. All of this, I didn't have to do anything because she told me how to do.
Let's end the vlog.
She always give herself the credits.
Honey, can we end the vlog?
Can you give me the credit?
Oh,
can you tell me,
God.
babe, you've been perfect. I'm very proud of you.
No, you're supposed to be perfect, and it's supposed to happen more often.
So that's why I tell you it's perfect, and the kids didn't even miss you, so you can go more often.
I know that it will miss me, and when they see me, they say, Mama! They run to me, Mama!
Tyler was just 10 meters away and he didn't even see you, and his Jen tell her, I like the boy.
Move it too light.
I like the boy. And you say, ah! Auntie Jen, oh, cuckoo mama. Auntie Jen.
Move it too light. Why like you didn't run come hug me up and say, Mama?
He didn't see you.
Oh, end the vlog with your lying self, man.
Did you enjoy your day outside?
Yes, away from you, yes.
Yes.
Yes, I had fun away from you.
Right, I'm happy. No, seriously, I'm happy you went. And you spent time there, and I just wish during that
see
time.
my hair purple up the couch, look.
And I just wish during that time you didn't think about how we are and all of this.
C'est pas possible, ça.
Yes,
That's
you can
not
think
possible.
about how we are. We're good,
Honey,
but not worrying. Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna save you. See the mosquito right there.
I mean, I'm not going back glasses.
Get up
No,
slowly.
we have to sit.
Slowly.
Where it
Hurry,
is.
or you're gonna miss him. Look, he's directly in front of me.
Yes.
Say thank you, babe.
I'm good. I'm good.
You don't say thank you, babe.
Thank you for showing me where the mosquito
I
is.
shouldn't show you because me don't want him bite you.
No, but you say that out loud. Out loud, but
Out of love, you're right. You're right. I said out of love. You are absolutely. Hey, you know
inside
you know what you.
inside you want to give me protection. You don't want me to wake up in the night and have 5 mosquitoes bite.
That's why you see I said out of love and you're right. Come on, come end the vlog.
That's what I'm doing since 5. Why you have another chocolate inside your head?
You guys,
I leave it all night.
He's
I
been
just
stuck in
wanted,
chocolate eggs
Yeah.
in my head. Tell me
I
what is
just
the
wanted
next.
to know if you feel it. Let me take it off.
Baby, come on my hair. We should purple up your hand. Anyway, you guys, we are coming on to end today's vlog and end the antics. Wait, babe, I see a cobweb that is bothering me. I have to go pull it down in the corner. You ever see some cobweb hanging at some strange places inside your house? If you say no, I lie. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I'm going to edit and see the madness that babe vlog while I was away. So I'm sure you guys would have seen whatever he vlogged already by this.
Nothing.
I'm sure I'm gonna die when I'm editing that vlog.
Nothing.
Anyway, you guys, make sure you guys subscribe if you're new to the fam bam and turn on your notification bell. That way you don't miss a video when we upload. But if you still don't get an upload notification, go to our channel Monday to Friday. A video is there, guaranteed. Love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. Catch me and keep up with the fam bam. And we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
and we'll see you guys.
Tomorrow.
And we'll see you guys. Tomorrow. Babe, we're supposed to say it tomorrow together.
You can edit it. You do a voiceover.